who it is? You tell me what is the meaning of partial update and full update?
So you'll just basically refresh the certain part of the page.
How?
Okay.
In this example, when I'm selecting some image, यहाँ पे, this is full update or partial update? यहाँ पे,
The
huh?
partial.
Partial.
Full update, not partial update, man.
Mm,
Your whole
Full.
page is refreshed.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
You are making a call to the server, and server is doing processing, and it is returning new response as a view. That's it. So here we have partial update or full update. Full update.
Full update. Yeah.
You are updating, entire page. So what my plan is, what I'm going to do, delete. Let's try with delete. My intention of delete is, I don't know it's working or not. It's not working, right? So it's good, right? Like I need to delete this with Ajax. Ready?
Yes.
Agenda is clear.
Yep.
Yep.
Right now it is not working. That is my luck. अच्छा लगा मेरे को. It's not working, right? Thank you, and thank you. It's not working. Then what I need to do is, when you click on the delete button, make a Ajax call, right? Which call, man?
Ajax
Ajax
call.
call. When you make
Ajax.
a Ajax call to the server, server will delete this data, but this data won't be deleted from the client side. So what you do? Make a call to the Ajax and say, hey server, delete this data from database. And one response come and you go and just hide this row from the client side, hide it. In this way, what is the benefit of it? But data will be deleted. If you put your position of the page like this, it would be always like this. This data would be just hidden. So you got the logic? What, man? When you click on this, you will make a Ajax call and server will delete the data. And once response comes as a JSON, you have to hide this row from the client side. You have to just hide it. Got the
Oh,
agenda or
okay.
confused?
Yeah. Got it.
In this way, the earlier what you do, you click on this, you make a call to the server, server is deleting the data from database, and then you are going to the database and the fetching remaining record, right? And you are rendering it again from the scratch. Huh?
Yep.
So the यहाँ पे it's not working. That's my luck, man. I like it. It's not working, right? Yeah. So can I start? And you understand what I'm doing?
Yep.
Yes.
And I'm telling you, after that, if you're not able to do it, it's your problem. Fine, because practice and all. And let me do it. So man, I need your help. So what my plan is, like if you click on this, if I want, I can send my data, send my email ID as a query string, which I sent you yesterday. Remember? Yesterday what I did, when you find the password, find the password, right? I was sending my input as a JSON, or I was sending yesterday in query string. Reply.
Query string request from
What is it?
do the parameter.
Yesterday I was sending my data as a query string, and the response I was getting as a JSON, right?
Jason. Yeah.
Today, I'm going to send data as a JSON and I'll get data. Today, I'm going to show you what? Sending data as a
JSON and getting it back at JSON.
nice. So that's my plan. What I need to do? What I need to do? Yeah, here, when you click on this, don't do it. I'm going to call my JavaScript function. Right, hero? किस पे?
Yeah.
When you click on the delete button. So in JSP, if you can use this keyword JavaScript colon. Why? When you click on this, call a JavaScript method, and that is called delete row. You can give any name to it, man. Okay. And when you want to delete it, you want to delete as per the username, which is the unique in this username or email. Username, right? But in this, what is the unique?
We can use AID as well, right?
Somebody saying use AID. Thank you for helping me. So I'm going to use AID. AID is an integer value, right? Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So I can pass this here. Nah? Yep. I
Mhm.
pass this AID as a parameter to the method delete row. And I need to define the delete row, and I will do it slowly. Please ask questions if you have. Fine. To delete row.
You don't have to write a script.
Why not? Script is important. Without this, it will not work. function this. And here I'm going to pass AID as a parameter. No, you want to see this much is working or not? Why not? Why is crying? क्यों बच्चे? Function. Eh?
I think you have to define AID.
No, sir.
No, we don't have to
This
define
is
it. And-
देखो style. It's working now.
Style.
My editor got mad. That's it. पागल हो गया था ये. I'm going to run it. No? Alert. Let's see is getting call or not. No? AID. No? How you can do it, man? Refresh it. Refresh. Don't forget refresh and click on this. How dare to go it? I'm at right page or something else. Why is showing like this? Or I don't know which project I'm changing. I'm changing a wrong project. Okay. My project is this boot, but I was changing in my old project. That's why. That's why sometimes it's confusing. My effort can't be vested. इसे कैसे? यहाँ पे you can use script, and here you can add this. Yeah. And you can call it. Why you are not copying it? Why not? You know, but what I did is last time, I'm just going to do copy paste. No? It's fine, refresh it. What was the mistake? I did some change somewhere else. No? Now see, 3, hello, 2, 1, matlab whatever ID is there is printing. 1 to 4 hai. Somebody saying nahi hai, so I can make it 6, 5. Na? So you refresh it and last me it should come 5. Na? Wow, we are good to go.
Yep.
Okay. Abhi you see here we have TR. TR देखते हो, one row.
Yep.
Every TR को I can give dynamic ID. Shankar. What I said? Every TR को I can give dynamic ID. Right?
Okay.
And this ID would be like Shankar, your name I'm using, Shankar. And here, in order to make it unique, you just set this. You know, ID become what, man? Shankar underscore, Shankar underscore 1, Shankar underscore 2, 3, 4. And depend on, right? So ID, why I'm doing, you'll understand soon.
Yeah.
Expect. No, don't cry. Then you have a Shankar 1, Shankar, na? Sorry, Shankar 2, Shankar 3. So 1 and 2 is the unique, right? So what I can do, and every row has an ID. Okay, man. So what my plan is, Mr. Shankar? Like I'm using dollar, and use the ID. Like Shankar underscore is fixed. But don't use this name, right? Nahi karna. Here Shankar A hai, and plus क्या होगा तेरी ID, row की ID, this ID.
ID.
In this way, you understand. Hey, I want to hide that row. In the whatever I'm saying, let me explain to you. Like dollar is called jQuery. In order to access the object, you need to pass ID. When you use ID, we should use hash. So this much will give you the object, and hide is a method which will hide the row. So what happened, guys? The row which you click on this, that would be get hide. Anna?
Yeah.
See? Cling. But it is not deleted, right? Oh man.
Yes.
I mean, you are just hiding. If you refresh it, thing will come. Huh? Got the idea?
Yes.
So the hiding funda we understand, right? We can hide anytime. Clear? But now I need to make a Ajax call, right? Make Ajax call. So here we have to send data Ajax JSON. I'm asking with you.
Yes.
So you decide what should be the format of the data you want to send. This is okay. AID. You want to send this data? Hello. Oh, hero. What I'm saying, you want to send this data, right? Curly bracket open and close. Anything else which you want to send? No. Somebody saying I want to send one more attribute. क्या भेजना चाहते हो? कुछ नहीं, ऐसे ही app name equals to, है ना, magic. It's not required, man. It's required? नहीं. I'm asking with you. It is not required, no? Only AID. So you want to send both or only one?
Let's send both.
Both. Knowledge के लिए both, right? Somebody
Yeah.
says. Okay. Like if you want to send JSON data, first of all you make a JavaScript object. I told you how to make, right? Yesterday.
Yep.
Remember?
Yep.
Blank object बना और उसमें what attribute you can add, guys?
That AID.
AID equals to AID equals to this value. चलेगा?
Mm-hmm.
है ना? So you are able to set AID equals, but this is JSON data and this is JavaScript object. After that, you want to set app name. App name में you can write wrap3. मतलब whatever value you want to give, man. I don't care. Wrap3 tech. Huh? Confused? नहीं. No. No? Got it? Now I want to convert what, man? JavaScript object into what?
JSON.
So for this we have JSON. I don't. मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. JSON dot stringify method is there. JSON is inbuilt JavaScript object. Stringify. अगर if you don't remember, Google it. It's very common actually. So you know. Like after that, my job would be done. Stringy JSON dot stringify. So no, you got the syntax. No, stringify. Stringify. I'm right. No? What it does, man? Whatever object you will pass, it will convert into JSON string.
JSON.
String, right? If you print this object, in this you will see proto underscore proto. यहाँ पे proto नहीं दिखेगा. You want to see it? Somebody saying, "Hey, show me, man." Oh, ऐसा इतना गुस्सा.
Already converted into
दिखाता
JSON.
हूँ तेरे को सब कुछ देख. यहाँ पे inspect कर. I am going to show you the debugging, man. Hero, click on the source. And this profile, Sankar, score को ना you can debug it, man. देख यहाँ पे मैंने debug point लगाया देख. You see? Tling, नहीं? And you click on this. Oh, Mr. You are able to see the values?
Yes.
Line by line, LATI. Like you should know the debugging. Can you see this? Oh, blank object is created. AID is 5. Very good, right? AID.
Similar to run as debug.
Exactly, man. So they here, this OBJ has what? AID 5, app name this, right? Done. You just go ahead one more step. Then what it has? JSON string. देखिए सब में double quotes है. देखिए यहाँ पे. इसमें difference है. In JavaScript object, you don't have double quotes for the variable, ना? But everything is here in double quotes. Got the difference between JavaScript object and JSON string? अरे सर, अगर if you देख यहाँ पे देख मैं माउस रखता हूँ, इसमें प्रोटो भी है. बताया था ना underscore proto.
Yeah.
और यहाँ पे only you see the JSON string. That is the difference in JSON string and JavaScript object. Confused? Guys.
And on the right hand side, it's also using the window for this object, for this method.
Yeah, exactly, man. This is very detailed is showing, man. Local variable, you know. यहाँ से भी देख, this मतलब window. Okay. Many things. Okay. Cool. Question query नहीं है. यहाँ से resume कर. It's done. ना? I need to refresh it and I'll get me all the data. Please, I need to just work on the server side code and I need your help. I need to deal with JSON request and JSON data. I need to use REST controller. Hello. All right. So basically, what basically? Nothing. I need to delete the profile. Let me make the new call. Oh man, like here for delete profile. Like what I should do? I'm crying. एक second, give me a second. Ajax में कर सकते हो. Like I'm using delete and I want to delete the profile. And my data is coming in JSON, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hello, yes.
Yeah.
My data is coming in JSON. So delete profile JSON input. चलेगा? So अगर if your data is coming into the JSON, you have to here use request body. What man? Request body. But you should know the structure of the data. You know structure of the data? Oh, Mr. यार आप लोग बोलते
Yeah.
नहीं हो. I'm saying, do you
ID
know the
and
structure of
string.
the data? Yeah, we know. App name, na? So can I make another DTO? White hero class app name ID. So what is the one AID है?
Mm-hmm.
And private. Like this attribute name should match with the incoming attribute data app name. You can make a getter and setter of it.
It's
I
not
hope you know
using
how.
Lombok you said yesterday, right?
Lombok?
Lombok.
Yeah, you can use Lombok also. You guys can see how to use it. Otherwise, tomorrow remind me.
Using annotation, right?
You have to use S annotation, no getter and setter. Everything would be auto-generated. Hash code equals method constructor. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. So, Mr. Friends, as we discussed here, I need to use Sankar. We automatically by matching, JSON. What JSON is coming? Somebody saying I forget it. I don't know.
AID and matching.
Yep. ये तो नहीं है. This is not mine one. This is mine one. But यहाँ पे is coming like this, right? Yep. Nah? So you understand the here this is the HTTP method. What you know? I said this is the HTTP method. I'm going to use delete, right? But you can
Mm-hmm.
use for method in
Yep.
REST API. Delete to delete data, है ना?
Update.
And application viewer profile is delete. देखिए I'm returning JSON data, right? Yeah. It's fine. I need to write the code to delete it. Yes or no?
Yes.
So let's do that. I need your help. So here method है या नहीं है? No, nobody knows. But I'm telling you what you are telling me. If delete method is not there, I can write it. And writing delete method is just a cup of tea. How? Delete by ID. Sankar, you see my speed? I said it is cup of tea. Why? This goes credit goes to me or whom? This credit goes to a repository, man. In repository we have everything. There. Delete by ID. Huh? Oh, easy or not?
Yes.
We are not writing anything. We are just sitting idle and taking help of the framework. No? Delete by
Okay.
ID and I'm adding it into my method. Simple, it's done. Cling, cling. And where you need to call it? Need to call it? Call it. Huh? Delete by ID. Make sense to you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. You have to pull from the object.
Yeah.
Delete ID.
Name dot.
My code is done. But you know, because of request body, it is taking data. Data is coming in JSON body, right? The request body is saying, hey, yeah, JSON, I will take your AID app name and I will create an object of app name ID and I pass your data. The request body annotation is reading data from where? It is reading data from the request body, which is JSON, and converting into
Yes.
Java object back. My job is done. Coding is done, right? Server side. Yeah, you can say DP profile, right? But by convention, no? You see, by convention, I'm using the profile, post, put, right? For everything, get clear profile and particular. And normally when you delete, you pass your ID as a part of URI. This is the correct approach. No? But our intention was passing data into
Body.
JSON body, right? So here I want to, but which one is the correct approach? This one, right? Understand my point?
Mm-hmm.
So, but we are using because I want to show you the JSON data with delete. So what I need to do, nobody knows. I need to go to the client side. I need to make a post request. And how to make a post request. I may have something. Let me show you.
Document dot submitted.
And everything I did it. And happy hours. My project. So let me Google it. I don't remember right now where it is. It's okay. Let's do that. Which example? Fetch post JSON body. Oh man, there is a lot of API for it. ABC, this is also good. Oh, I'm too lucky, really? Yes. Can you see this? Yeah. I'm lucky or not? Look, man. I mean, I have my JSON data, and then option may you have mentioned the method name, and here body may you are sending your JSON data as a string, right? Header may you mention the content type and accept, and that is. I'm lucky or not? Okay? You are not applying. Yes, sir, I'm lucky. I need to just copy paste. I'm just waiting for your permission. Once you give me, I can paste it.
Okay.
Okay, copy. Copy, 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 copy. And here, paste it. Like this we don't need. Why? I bet this is JavaScript object. I told you, right?
We already have that.
So you just make option. Option and method is delete. No? Yeah, yeah. And in body may what you have to set? Here you are making constant option as a object. Curly bracket open and close, semicolon. You know it. The method delete. And body may what you are going to set this JSON string, right? Header content type. I'm sending what, man? I'm sending JSON data, and what I'm accepting, accept Purushottam, JSON. The option is a JavaScript object. This is the key, this is the value, key value, and this is another attribute where we are holding another JavaScript object. So this, अब एक curly bracket open and close and JavaScript object. यहाँ पे curly bracket open and close another JavaScript object. So option is one of the JavaScript object which is holding another JavaScript object. Nested. Now you have to make a fetch. No? An option, and here you have to give the URL first, then a JSON, and then this JSON data is passed to this, right? तो यहाँ पे अगर देख you can use this, but I'm using data. It is up to you, man. Okay. Hello. अबे यहाँ पे we have multiple statement. अगर if you want to write, you can use curly bracket here. Understood? Why? Because in one statement, curly bracket is not required. But if you want to use multiple statement, curly bracket is not right. Make sense to you? What I need to do over here? What I need to do here? इसके अंदर you just write this code, ना? Because hello, what hello? You just paste it. Huh? Confused? नहीं. And here I need to. What I need to? You need to update the URL. Yep, 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 yep. है ना? URL.
/file.
Yes, I'm very lazy. URL. I need to. What I need to? Sorry. How to write the URL? You have to go to the REST API. REST API is saying API 2. Anna?
Yeah.
You see? Really, this is my style. Na? What do you have to write, man? This one? No, itna gar. You have to just write API2/d profile. Anybody have any confusion? Sir, yesterday I wrote it in 2 steps. याद रखो यहाँ पे मैंने इसको तोड़ दिया था. I just wrote in promise. याद है? Promise.
Yeah.
And then I was calling promise.then. It is up to you, man. You can write in multiple step or one step. तेरे ऊपर है कैसे लिखता है ना? तो यहाँ पे जो output आ रहा है, right? I'm not what I'm not. मैसेज भेजो. Let me use the message also. But मैं कहता हूँ ना तेरे को, whatever I have done, just go and do practice. थोड़ा fast, the way I am doing, right? So where we are, REST API, I lost it. No, it is here. You want to send message from here? Yes. Profile is deleted. Fully up successfully. Yeah. For AID equals to क्या?
ID. Tab name
Dot
ID.
get AID. And समझे? इस message को what I can do? What I can do? This message को I can parse it, ना? JSON को I can parse it client side. Allow me in message attribute. किस attribute में आएगा man? Message में
Attribute.
आएगा. Allow to me. Client side में I can parse it and show you. Where is my JSP? Oh my God, so many tabs are open. Let me close others. Profile में, है ना? You know? कैसे दिखाएगा? Data में, your data is coming in data. What do you need to write? Tell me. Data के अंदर attribute है message. Am I right?
Yep.
So where you want to show it? Do you have anywhere a span? नहीं है. I'm asking with you. Do you have a span anywhere? Answer is no. We don't have a span. So or you can make a paragraph. So it is up to you what you want to make. क्या बनानी है आपको? यहाँ पे you use span. ना? Span को here ID में you can give what? M message ID. You got a point?
Mhm.
Font size 18px and color you can write red. You got a point?
Yep.
And here
Yeah.
you want to write in between. You know the formula I did last time. $# ID. In between you want to write the message, then you can use the method HTML because I want to write HTML content. And you can use this data dot message. You're following me?
Yep.
In data, your JSON data is coming, right? So data dot message. My job is done. Can I try? I
Sure.
hate a lot. Hit? हटा दो. Oh, this is interesting. Interesting तो है. I'm going to run it. Tling. What I need to do? I don't know.
Refresh.
Refresh. Oh, my application is stopped. I need to rerun it. Cool. Whatever I'm doing, it will come only by practice. If you have good practice, you can do very quickly. If you're trying to understand only, nothing. You will never understand. Do understand. Go and do it. Fine. Somebody saying, hey, what you are doing? You say, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing something. Okay. Once I'm done, I'll let you know. So practice only makes you perfect. So that is my GUI. Refresh it. And I slide here just on the SPACT. If you turn on this inspect network, you can see at least what happening behind the scene. Oh, debugger is on. You want to see everything? Yes, on ho gaya to. Like here you are making a call, the server. I don't know. You see? Abe data came, the profile is deleted, na? Message came. Are you following me?
Yep.
And this message should come here also. Once line will execute, the profile deleted successfully. And resume it. It's gone. Shall I refresh it? If I refresh it, then still data will not come. Am I right? Because it's
Yes.
gone from database also.
Yes.
Now I can't take risk. I have 3 record only. Okay. So it's done. Yeah. Oh my God, how nicely we did. You say how nicely you did? Yes, how nicely we did. What I need to do next? I want you should add one record, but this record should be posted over here with the help of pop-up. I don't know. I have taught you how to open the pop-up.
No.
आपसे पूछ नहीं?
No.
Okay. So let me do that. Sir. What I'm going to do even I don't know. So thoda, you know, here and I'm going to put a button. Button is very tough thing. No, it's not tough at all. Profile data, and here I want to put a button. Add profile, right? Yes, and button is a primary. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah. So when you click on this, I want to open the pop-up. Agenda is clear. Agenda is clear. What? Why are you crying? What I'm trying to do, I would like to push this code. Which project you are working with? Image. This is your project, right? Let me push this code first. Okay, this is for what, man? Git add dot. Commit hyphen. This is for what?
So the
Ajax
delete
delete
record.
record. Delete record with Ajax plus sending JSON data. I just want to commit it so that you can track it. Oh, so I have just added a button, and you know, I want to write a method function open. You can write anything, okay? Open add profile. This is my method. Clear? So I want to make a, you know, pop-up. Yeah. So you can say bootstrap for model. Oh, hero, you know what I'm doing? Yes. कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो आप copy paste करते हो, right? Yeah. You see? When you click on this model is open. चलेगा? तो not replying. देखिए, this is the model code. Reply, man. This model code I am copying it. This is bootstrap model. Please बोलोगे आप लोग? ये model है.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
जो going to put in the body. इतना model code हो गया यहाँ से यहाँ तक देखिए. It's closing here. Every model has some ID. So what ID I should give to it?
My mark.
Add profile model. समझे? अब you want to open this model. देखो, I forgot about the other thing. ये उसका header है. This is the body of the model. This is the button of the model. Model is divided into 3 parts. I will show you. Okay. इसको खोलना है ना इस ID से. तो you can open by the ID. Hello? ID से खोल सकते हो. कैसे? $.
Yes.
Hash. इधर को मिल गया object. In this we have a method. इस method इसमें dot model. Right? Modal में इसमें तो भेजेगा show. बस. तो क्या हुआ? When you click on this, you are saying add modal profile. तेरे को model मिल गया and using model method you are saying show. देखा. तो क्या होएगा? What happening? When you click on the add profile, oh, function open. Wow, आ गया. Because it is not inside JavaScript, okay? इसलिए. You just write inside the script. Okay. Why it was displaying as it is? Because it was not inside the method. Refresh it. And sorry, it's not coming. Console पे आ जाओ, right? Don't know. It's not opening. क्यों? Let me try again. Like it's not opening. क्यों? I think on button click जो call भी तो करना होगा man. Huh?
Yeah.
On this button click, I'm not calling it. My bad luck. It's too bad luck. Too bad luck. On click, call it. That's why nothing happening. Now I just make a call. Don't forget to refresh it. Model is coming. Bad. I hate it. देखो. अब we can design it nicely, है ना? Help कर दो. Model heading. Model heading आ जा. क्या है? हाँ? Add profile.
Profile.
इसको ना refresh कर, इस पे click कर, ये change होगी. ये body है and ये close button. Close के बदले में what you need to do? Save.
Submit. Add.
Save या submit. Yeah, it's okay. जो भी अच्छा लगे आप लिख लो. Save या submit. ना? You have to make this button submit. Right, man?
Mhm.
Submit करो. Add. देखते हैं इसे, है ना? Then you have to make a form. नहीं. I'm crying. Don't cry. I have to send data as a JSON. Nah? I can send as a form also. Form easier, right? You know it, right? Yes, you know?
Yeah.
Yes.
But I don't want to send through the form. As we decided, we have to send it. But
JSON.
what if JSON? So you have to
So-
design this form. अब देखो मेरे पास तो I don't know anything. I'm going to design it. कैसे करूँ? कैसे करोगे? Register से you copy it. ना? You see my speed? You want to see my speed? Form से form copy कर लो पूरा. Okay, man? Hello? But this is the form.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I can borrow it. The model में जो body है ना, div में इसमें paste कर दो. Oh, so many things. So many things.
You
It
don't need-
register and NAG clear login black button, so delete it. Nah? But other thing is fine. Let's see how it looks like. It's kind of cheating for you because I copy paste from somewhere. Oh, my model. Nah? Hello, username, password, name, email. Photo के लिए तो I'm not taking it. Photo को ना, photo को I don't want to take that लफड़ा. It will make a थोड़ा सा complex to it. Okay? नहीं करूँगा. JSON को photo से send करना है little bit tough. I'm just you can ना partial update से update करो. It's fine. And form को I'm going to close it. लेकिन इसमें ना action वगैरह नहीं चाहिए वही. Because you are going to send through.
There is another JSON.
JSON. तो form अगर तू नहीं भी use करेगा ना चलेगा. अगर form को use करना चाहता है तो you can give just ID. I'll tell you why. है ना? Add user form. Add profile form. The form को यहाँ पे कर modal से बाहर. Because you have to close it button के बाहर, right? है ना? Everything should come in the form, but even it's not required, okay? Hello? ये समझा? Username, username, password, ना सबको you can give the ID to सबको. What man? ID. So that you can access it. Username, ज़्यादा हो गया. ID. ID, password, है ना? ID equals to name. ID equals to email. ID equals to gender. Huh? Anything left? Nothing is left. But when you click on the save button, right? Like here, dismiss data modal dismiss. When you click on the modal, it is closed. I don't want to close it, but I don't want to submit it also. I can make it button, right? Yeah. So when you click on it, what do you want to do?
On click.
On click
the preferred.
to the function.
On click. Save profile. ऐसे कर.
Have to make that
I'm
one.
going to call this show save profile another function. Function name is
Save profile.
अभी alert लगा ले. Say is calling or not. Aha. Open this. But you can make it more beautiful by applying background image and all. Save करो. Aha, ना? It's working. But it's not going to be closed, right? क्यों?
Yeah.
Earlier for close there was an attribute data dismiss model. I removed it.
Yep.
अब तुझे close करना होगा manually, right? You know how to close it. कैसे? Magic. यहाँ पे just write hide. Done?
Yep.
What it will do? It will say aha and it will close your modal as well. देखो aha. close it. Magic, na? Closing model. Closing model. Okay, man. What you need to do? What I need to do? Even I don't know.
Change it to JSON.
Yeah, sir. I want to convert into the JSON. So I will read pura alag alag. So you make a blank object. What? No?
Yeah.
Profile. I can do that, right? Profile. This is a blank object. कैसे बनाते हैं? I forget it. ऐसे? Yeah. In profile, I want to set pop-up कर लो. Username. So can I do the username? ऐसे? Or username is coming from which ID, man? The pop-up has an ID. याद नहीं है?
Form.
Username, right? Yes.
Oh, okay.
So you can read it.
Yep.
As a hash. So you'll get the object of it, and dot value say you'll get the value. Val set. Na? Similarly, you can say t password. Next.
Email.
Oh, no. पता है name and email. Name. Email. Next. Gender. And gender the last. It's done, man. Okay. You have to you know how to send it, right? Yes, man. But you know how to send it, right? You just did it.
Yep.
Let me do copy paste.
One.
Yes, please do it. Na? Pura. So what I need to do? This gender ko profile ko you are converting into
OBJ.
JSON string, and
Yeah.
here you have to make post, right? And body mein JSON, send JSON, and receive JSON. And here you have to just change your controller mapping. That is, the post ke liye man already we have. Oh hero, can you see this? Abhi we have the first name, na? Post के लिए तो already we have ना username, password, name, email, gender, है ना? Yeah,
Yep.
we have already. So you just cry. यहाँ पे just you have to write this, ना? But you have to mix. Everything is done. Yes. Now you want to show the message यहाँ पे, so you can show it, है ना? इस case में nothing to hide. बोलिए. But don't forget to close it. ये किसके अंदर होगा यार? This should be inside this, ना? Am I correct? पहले message दिखा, फिर close it. I know it's very fast, 200 per miles per hours. But you can understand, right? Thoda, because style is same. Yep. So my job is done. I'm telling you, in order to do all those things, you need a lot of practice. You see, I do minimal mistakes because I remember.
So we don't have to get the response as a JSON.
No, response as JSON it is coming.
So we don't have to convert it in the REST controller.
वो already code है ना लिखा हुआ यहाँ पे देख.
Oh, the DTO, right? Okay, yeah, I got it.
हाँ ये DTO सब लिखा हुआ था ना पहले ही बना दिया था मैंने. So I'm trying. It's not easy. Add username as Mikal. क्या हो रहा है? I need to go. Password is test. Name is Vera. Email is mikal@com. है ना? Save करो. Profile is created, right? But data is not came here. If you refresh it, data is coming means it's working. Wow. है ना? No? But it is not refreshed. But your question is again why I'm refreshing it, right?
Yeah, why the whole page? The smaller person.
Manually, I'm refreshing manually because you are saving data in the database, and whatever data you have added, you are not pushing into the last row. Got a point? So in this case, what you need to do when you click on the add profile, after that you have to write some code to push data in the last row. You got a point?
Yep.
Oh, hero,
Yes.
you have to push a row manually because the page is not refresh. Okay, देख यहाँ पे if I'm adding something new, try to understand. What try to understand? When I'm pushing it, so data is saved, right? But it
Mhm.
is not refreshing because of Ajax. So you have to, you cannot refresh it, but you can add data manually here. खुद ऐड करना होगा तेरे को. कैसे?
From the JavaScript itself, right?
JavaScript codes. If I refresh it, it is making call to database and bringing it, right?
Yep, understand.
That's one. Ooh, done. How to, next thing is how to push. But you have seen big thing I'm telling you, right? JSON. If you know that, you know REST API and JavaScript jQuery. I'm telling you, this will help you in Angular also. Everywhere it will help the same knowledge. Everywhere. And you just see network source console, at least the element. This we use always, okay? So you just click and see what happening. Network mein na, whatever you are doing, like it will show you everything. Mr. Friends, all पे clicker. Can you see this? All पे. But whatever request you are making, it's showing everything over here. अब देखना. What देखना? Somebody is saying, hey, can you push the row? है ना? अब देख,
Yeah.
here you have to, it's not easy. Easy नहीं है. Easy नहीं है? नहीं है. Then I'll do it. It will take some time. ना? Or if you want to push a row, so you have to make the row programmatically. Then you can push it. Fine. So that I can show you tomorrow. Guys, if you
Mhm.
want, I can give you the idea. Okay. थोड़ा सा.
Okay.
Yes. थोड़ा सा दे देता हूँ. Image कितना ATR है ना? अबे this TR you have to make it dynamically over here. यहाँ पे. ना?
Oh.
I don't know. You can digest that and throw. It will take a little bit time. Yeah. But let me make a partial for you. Not pura. Partial for you, right? Photo तो है ही नहीं, इसको हटाओ. Right? है नहीं अभी तो. Delete and ये सब नहीं आएगा अभी ना. I'm just making simple, right? थोड़ा बहुत ना. This is the row which I have to make. Okay, hero. Hello. Say yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Up to worker, इसको ना you just make a string content अरे man content and just make it blank ना. देखना मेरा style. अब यहाँ पे तो कोई number, right? Here some number will come. I'll tell you. यार इसको number ही मत दो. आज के लिए let me simple. Like I'm going to add everything in the content. तो कैसे लिखेगा यहाँ पे tr पे? Content equals to, any guess? Content plus single quote ना. I'm going to add it. Oh man, I'm just making a row. You got the idea? Huh?
Yeah, boss, aren't we supposed to use the curly braces for the content?
कर रहा हूँ मैं.
So we're not making an object?
कैसा curly bracket? अबे here I'm just making tr. तो one row is ready. Blank row. समझा? One row is ready.
Mm-hmm.
Hello? समझा? मैं एक row बना रहा हूँ string से. You see my style of making? Single quotes.
Oh, it's all empty.
हाँ? बन गई. एक row बन गई. And what I'm going to push, where I'm going to push it? A T body, ना? You just give some ID to it. Not replying.
Table's body, right?
Table body. मैंने TT body कर दी. इस TT body के last में I'll append this row. How? $, hash. I got the object.
Mhm.
Then I would say append. Method है. In
Oh,
append
okay.
में I think I can add the content. So it should append the blank row. Okay. इतना देखते हैं पहले.
Yeah.
Refresh it. If code is perfectly fine, तभी जाके कुछ बनेगा. TT save it. Why नहीं? It's not added. Let's see the content. don't understand why it's not working. Let me try one more time. Arey? Here we can't see the code, right?
For the content, right?
हाँ वही तो इसमें तो कोड ही नहीं है. Let
Did
me
it
refresh
try
it.
this?
No, I don't know. I saved it or not. This code should be there. Let me check it again. Source में है ना? अरे after post है ना? We are hiding modal.
That's why is it not coming?
No, I added in wrong place. No, I added in delete. है ना? I should add into यहाँ पे.
Add
Got
program.
it? गलत जगह कर दिया था. I pasted the code where?
When we hit the delete button.
Delete part. क्योंकि I was in a hurry. ठीक है, save करो. So if you do save,
Debug.
देखो नहीं करना है debug. देखिए यहाँ पे आ गया ना blank.
Mm-hmm.
Tring. आ गई
Understand.
नहीं रो. Now I'm very happy. I need to set the values here. पहला क्या होगा अभी?
Content dot
First one is name.
username.
तो यहाँ पे तो name है ही है, right? तो प्रोफाइल के अंदर नेम है ना.
Mm-hmm.
ओके मैन. तो देख यहाँ पे ना मुझे एक वेरिएबल करना है, राइट? ऐसे कुछ. तो देख मेरा स्टाइल देख. आई नीड टू जस्ट यूज सिंगल क्वेट प्लस, है ना? जोड़ना होगा वो वेरिएबल, राइट? नेम आ गई. गॉट इट? हेलो. अबे दिस मच एंड यहाँ पे आई एम सेटिंग द वैल्यूज. यू नो द फंडा. कंफ्यूज हो गए. स्ट्रिंग है ना, td प्लस वैल्यू है प्लस दिस है. सिमिलरली यू कैन यूज फॉर पासवर्ड. फिर नेक्स्ट रो क्या है इधर? पासवर्ड तो है नहीं.
The content is also string, right?
Username.
हाँ सब स्ट्रिंग है. एवरीथिंग इज स्ट्रिंग. कर लो.
So to content we use plus. Okay.
concatenate कर रहे हैं. Then I am using email. जो है after email gender है. बस we have this much है ना. After that we'll do let's. This is very nice. Rest of the thing we'll do tomorrow. Gender. Actually my keyboards, some letters are erased. It is okay. Cling and aha password don't know blah blah blah. Can you see this? Last one is added. A photo or is a we'll take care of next session. No? You got my point?
Yes.
Yep.
So if you want, you got the idea. Done. Okay, man.
Mm-hmm.
So this